Large spaces are a challenge to clean. It's time-consuming, it takes a lot of manual effort, and oftentimes the details get overlooked. Let us introduce you to the iDrive, the newest innovation by iTeam. The iDrive has a wide cleaning width to cover up to 2,745 square meters per hour. Yet it's slim enough to fit through doors and many elevators. It uses the iPower battery system to run all day. No waiting for the machine to recharge. Along with its inline detergent dosing system. It also has an eco mode to keep you up and running for longer and to save water. Best of all, the iDrive comes with the award-winning iMop Light standard. This means that you can easily clean smaller spaces like restrooms, kitchens or entryways with ease and claim another 1,000 square meters of coverage. Finally, the iDrive is part of the iLink cloud. This way you know how long it has been used, what has been cleaned and where the machine is located. In short, the iDrive enables you to clean faster, cleaner, greener, safer and better.